1997 Ford F-150 Lariat extended cab step-side two-wheel drive with a 4.6 liter Triton V8. It's got brand new tires on it, bug shield, billet grille. It's got 109,000 miles on it, but you'd never know it looking at it because it's from Alabama. No rust whatsoever. It does have the third door. Leather seats. This opens up to the back. Power windows, power locks. Remote keyless entry. It's got dual exhaust with a tow package. Bed liner. In excellent condition. Sliding rear window, step side bed right there. Nice truck. Give me a call, Corey at Finney's Automotive Center, 315-686-5271. Thank you.